Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm glad to have you. Today we're going to make cabbage and corned beef and cabbage. Corned beef and cabbage. And I'm going to make kind of a mashup, which I make two things into one, and that's going to be a Reuben sandwich. Now, I'm not making a Reuben sandwich, but everything that's inside of that sandwich I'm going to put into an egg roll shell, and then we're going to deep fry it. So let's see how that turns out. It's really delicious. Spoiler alert. So let's get cooking. Here's what I'm starting with. Some potatoes that I've diced up into chunks, some onion, and some celery. And here's my corned beef. It comes with a little seasoning packet inside. I'm going to use that, but I'm also going to use my own too. I want to add some more flavor than what's in that little tiny packet. I'm going to get my corned beef into the crock pot. We're going to let this cook all day, at least 8 to 10 hours. I'll add this little seasoning pack that came with it, but then I'm going to start adding my own seasonings to it. Once we get everything in, we'll put the veggies in too. So I'm going to add granulated garlic, a pretty good pinch of that. You can add any seasonings that you like, or you can take away any that I've put in there. Just use what you like. And this is Weber roasted garlic and herb, and I love this seasoning, and I love it on burgers especially. So it's going to give this quite a bit of a garlicky taste, but not overpowering. And this is Badia Complete Seasoning, and I do like this. I usually don't use it in dishes a lot unless it is a seafood dish, or I like it especially with shrimp and pasta. It flavors it, and that's all you need. So I'm going to add a little pinch of salt, because I'm going to add a little more salt in just a few minutes. But after the salt, we're going to give it a pretty good pinch of pepper. And we are about ready to add the veggies. So you can add whatever veggies you like. I didn't have any carrots, or I would have put that in also. These are onions and celery and potatoes. Any kind of potatoes that you have on hand will work. So I'm going to put a little bit of water in the bottom, salt the top of these potatoes, and I'm going to cover it and cook until the potatoes are done. Then I have removed the potatoes, and I have added a head of chopped cabbage into my crock pot to cook the rest of the day with the meat. And when the meat is tender, and we'll just take the potatoes and add them right back on top, and that'll be ready to go. Now I'm making the Reuben rolls. This is a can of corned beef, and then I added sauerkraut, 1 can of that, and then I added the Thousand Island salad dressing just to make it creamy. And I am putting them in egg roll wrappers, and you'll see how I do that. I wet the end of them so they'll stick together and none of the filling will come out when we start to fry them. But I'm going to show you how I do a couple of these, and we're going to run through them really quickly. The Reuben rolls are ready to fry, but I wanted to show you the corned beef and cabbage are tender, and they've been cooking all day, so I added the potatoes back in, and they are ready to eat. Now we're frying up our Reuben rolls. It doesn't take much oil. I didn't want to submerge them in oil to fry them, so I shallow fried them. But you just want them to be golden on all sides, and then you can remove them, and they are so creamy and delicious. And this was the dinner that I made for my entire family for St. Patty's Day. I hope you give it a try, because it's easy and it's delicious. Comment down below what you had for St. Patrick's Day, or if you celebrated at all. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to get in your kitchen and try something new. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload, which is once a week. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.